1. Heredity and evolution. O heredity and hereditary changes. O transcription, translation and translocation. O evolution. O evidences of evolution. O Darwin's theory of natural selection. O Lamarckism. O speciation. O human evolution. Backquote. The mRNA formed in nucleus comes in cytoplasm. It brings in the coded message from DNA. The message contains the codes for amino acids. The code for each amino acid consists of 3 nucleotides. It is called as triplet codon. Dr. Hargobind Khurana, a scientist of Indian origin, has made an important contribution in discovery of triplet codons for 20 amino acids. For this work, he has been awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1968, along with 2 other scientists. Each mRNA is made up of thousands of triplet codons. As per the message on mRNA, amino acids are supplied by the tRNA. For this purpose, tRNA has anticodon, having complementary sequence to the codon on mRNA. This is called as translation. The amino acids brought in by tRNA are bonded together by peptide bonds with the help of rRNA. During this process, the ribosome keeps on moving from one end of mRNA to other end by the distance of one triplet codon. This is called as translocation. Such many chains come together to form complex proteins. These proteins control various functions in the body of living organisms and their appearance too. Living organisms can produce new individuals like themselves due to genes only, and some of those genes are transmitted to the next generation without any changes. Due to this, some of the characters of parents are transmitted to their offsprings. However, sometimes sudden changes occur in those genes. Sometimes, any nucleotide of the gene changes its position that causes a minor change, which is nothing but the mutation. 1.2 Translation and translocation. 1.1 Transcription. 1.3 Mutation. RNA polymerase. RNA nucleotides. Transcription. Main sequence. Replacement. Some mutations may be minor but some may be considerable. X. Mutation may cause the genetic disorders like sickle cell anemia. This is an everlasting process and it is one of the nucleus, lysine, ribosome, codon mRNA, tRNA mRNA. 1. What is the function of the appendix of our digestive system? 2. Are our wisdom teeth really useful for chewing the food? 3. Why did the huge animals like dinosaur become extinct? 4. Why are many species of animals and birds getting extinct? 3.5 billion years ago, life had been non-existent on the Earth. At the beginning, there may have been only simple elements in the ocean on the Earth, and simple type of organic and inorganic compounds may have been formed from those. Complex compounds like proteins and nucleic acids may have formed over the long period from those simple compounds. First primitive type of cells may have been formed from the mixture of different types of organic and inorganic compounds. Number of those cells may have increased at the cost of surrounding chemicals. There may have been some differences among those cells, and according to the principle of natural selection, some may have shown good growth and some may have perished, which could not adjust with the surrounding. At present, crores of species of plants and animals with huge diversity regarding shape and complexity are present on the Earth. Animal diversity ranges from the unicellular amoeba and paramecium to man and giant whale. The plant diversity consists of various species ranging from unicellular chlorella to the huge banyan tree. The life exists on Earth everywhere from equator to both the poles. Organisms are present at all the places like air, water, land, rock, etc. Humans have shown curiosity about origin of life and reasons for such a great diversity in life present on the Earth since ancient period. Different theories about origin and evolution of life have been proposed till today, of which theory of gradual development of living a peek into history. Many philosophers and religious scholars have written their views about formation of life. There seems to be a thorough discussion over the formation of universe in various cultures like Indian, Chinese, Roman, Greek, etc. Various cultures have noted different type of information about planets, stars, the Panchmahabhuta, living organisms, etc. in the form of poetry, stories and religious, sacred books. Evolution. Evolution is the gradual change occurring in living organisms over a long duration. This is a very slow-going process through which development of organisms is achieved. All the stages and changes occurred in various components ranging from stars and planets in space to the biosphere present on the Earth should be included in the study of evolution. Formation of new species due to changes in specific characters of several generations of living organisms as a response to natural selection is called as evolution. Internet is my friend. Collect the information from Internet about Big Bang theory related with the formation of stars and planets and present it in your class. Can you recall? Theory of evolution. According to this theory, first living material, protoplasm, has been formed in ocean. In due course of time, unicellular organism was formed. Gradually, changes occurred in the unicellular organisms from which larger and more complex organisms were formed. All those changes were slow and gradual. Duration of all these changes is at most 300 crore years. Changes in development in living organisms had been all round and multi-dimensional, and this led to evolution of different types of organisms. Hence, this overall process is called as evolution, which is organizational. Progressive development of plants and animals from the ancestors having different structural. Observe the following images and note the similarities between given animal images and plant images. 1.4 Morphological evidences. 2. Anatomical evidences. If you carefully observe the pictures, there doesn't seem any superficial similarity between human hand, cat's foreleg, flipper of whale, and patagium of bat. Similarly, use of each of those structures is different in respective animals. However, there is similarity in structure of bones in bony joints and organs of each of those animals. This similarity indicates that those animals may have common ancestor. 1.5 Structure of bones. Human cat's foreleg, patagium, flipper hand of bat of whale. 1. Which are the different organs in body of organisms? 2. Is each of the organs useful to organism? Use of ICT. Collect the information of geological dating and present it classroom. Evidences of evolution. Collective thinking upon all above mentioned theories implies that evolution is everlasting process of changes. However, it needs proof to prove it. Following are various proofs available in support of the theories mentioned above. 1. Morphological evidences. Try this. Various similarities like structure of mouth, position of eyes, structure of nostrils and ear pinnae, and thickly distributed hairs on body are seen in animals, whereas similarities in characters like leaf shape, leaf venation, leaf petiole, etc. occur in case of plants. This indicates that there are some similarities in those groups, and hence it proves that their origin must be same and must have common ancestors. Can you tell? Appendix, which is useless to human, is useful in fully functional organ in ruminants. Similarly, muscles of ear pinna, which are useless to human, are useful in monkeys for movement of ear pinna. Various vestigial organs like tailbone, coccyx, wisdom teeth, and body hairs are present in body of human being. Find how the vestigial organs in certain animals are functional in others. Present the information in your class and send it to others. Use of ICT. 1.7 Some fossils. Appendix. Large intestine, small intestine.